Hello YouTube, I'm Mr. Dude 321 and these are my easy airsoft guns. Homemade airsoft guns. And so this is another one of mine. And basically what it is drill a hole through a medicine bottle and drill a hole in the top, put a pen tube in it and hot glue it. And then fill them with BBs. And you can like paint them or something like that. I just put electrical tape around this one. And this is, if you are going to make this, this is about the biggest bottle you should use. If you use anything bigger, it won't fire. So I'll use this one, and I'm gonna, well, I'll show this piece of paper. For close range, it hurts pretty bad, and yeah. So I'll aim at that piece of paper. Those holes didn't come from that. They came from my airsoft pistol. So here, I'll aim at that piece of paper. Yeah, so you can empty this whole bottle in about a minute. That's how fast it shoots. It's pretty accurate. It goes about 30 to 40 feet. So yeah, that's all my easy airsoft guns. So yeah, bye. Subscribe and thumbs up this video. Bye.